Hello everyone, this is Nick Damiani and I'm going to be showing you how to access your Peru School email and suggest a few setting changes that will make it look similar to what we had in Outlook. So if you go to the main Peru School webpage, there's a staff email link here. You could also go to the Gmail app in the Google Waffle, or you could actually type in web address mail.perucsd.org, and that will bring you into your mail inbox as well. If you are already signed into Google Chrome up here in the right hand corner, then you are going to be automatically signed into all of the Google tools, so you would not be prompted to sign in to your actual inbox. If you're not signed into Chrome, then you're going to be prompted to sign in. Okay, so when you get into your inbox, you're going to notice that you just have a running list of emails. Your folders would appear here on the left. If you scroll down through, you can see all the folders. Down here, there's going to be a More button that you can click on, which will give you access to even more, more folders if you had a lot of folders that came over from Outlook. Now, if you don't really care for the way that this looks, there's going to be some new enhanced features that Google has pushed out for Gmail, and I'm going to show you how to access that. So if you go up here to the settings, the first thing I would like everyone to click on is the Try the New Peru Central School Mail. So if you click on that link, this is going to be the updated version of the Gmail interface, and you'll notice some differences. Just with the basic features, you'll see that we can see the attachments directly under the email within the list. You'll notice voicemail is coming into our inbox now. That was something that was not set up last week, but it is now set up. You'll notice the folders will collapse to provide more viewing space within the within the interface. If you scroll through, you'll still notice they're all here. More, and you can get a lot more of your folders down there. You'll notice if you scroll way down to the bottom, you're probably going to have a trash can that's down here and a spam folder. So the spam folder is something you're going to want to check because the Gmail filtering system is a little more powerful, a little bit cleaner than the Outlook system was. So it's going to push a lot of email initially into your spam folder. So what we're recommending everyone does is go ahead and click on your spam folder and just take a look at the emails that are in there. So if there's any email in your spam folder that you want to be delivered into your inbox, you're going to have to want to train your inbox to accept it. So say I wanted this email from Demco to end up in my inbox. I can check the box and then mark it as not spam, and it will put that email in my inbox. And then after I do that, a couple times, it takes a week to 2 weeks for your inbox to be trained. It will then be delivered into the inbox and not go into spam. So just remember to check that spam account, or spam folder. If you're in your inbox and you notice you get an email that should be spam, you can also check it and you can mark it as spam, and it will send it to your spam. And again, same type of process. It might take a couple weeks to train it, or doing it a couple times to get the account to save that preference. Okay. All right. So this is the running list view in your inbox, chronological order, based on when it's delivered. But in Outlook, we used to have this running list of emails, but then we had a preview pane, and that would allow us to see an email without actually opening that email up. And that's what I'm going to show you how to set up now. And I'm going to show you where you can place your signature. If you like to have a preset signature that goes out on all of your emails, I'm going to show you where to do that. So we're going to go into settings. And the first basic general settings are where we're going to access our signature box. So if you scroll down through to the bottom, it's going to be a signature option. The default is going to be no signature. You can type in here what signature you would like to save. and then check this box here to insert that signature. What that means is that signature will always appear right below what you type. Okay, so you can go ahead and set that. And with any settings change, you're going to want to save those changes. Now, when you do save the changes, it's going to bring you back into your inbox, and you're going to have to go back to the gear and go to settings again. The next option I want everybody to take a look at is going to be under advanced. So go ahead and select advanced. And this preview pane, which you might have to scroll down to find down into here, preview pane should be enabled. So if you go ahead and enable your preview pane and save those changes, I'll show you what that is going to look like. When it brings you back to your inbox, you might have a little message that pops up here, and it tells you to toggle between your pane views. So there's a little drop-down menu here. No split is going to be your running list. Vertical split is going to split your mail into columns. So you'll have your folders that appear here, emails coming in, and here will be that previewed email. So if you click on an email, you notice it populates right here. All right, and that's very similar to the look that we had in Outlook. Okay, another nice feature that we have once we get our, we notice our folders, our email that's coming in, and our preview pane. There's also a built-in feature with calendar, and provides a nice, just a nice setup to, just have everything in one spot. It's really the hub for our communication piece. So any item that you have in the calendar would appear here. Daily calendar, you can add events through here by clicking on a time as well. It does also read the emails. So for example, if I wanted to set up a meeting here with Mr. Sorgel about this robotic arm, which is a very neat thing that students are going to have the opportunity to work with, I can click on a time, and it's going to automatically put that email subject line in there for me, and then I can work it from there. So just another nice feature of that updated interface that Google has pushed out. Okay, so these are some basic features within Gmail that I think are going to create a better experience for us. If you have any questions, as always, please feel free to send me an email, contact our NARIC team, and we'd be happy to help you get yourself comfortable and help with any troubleshooting issues you might be having. Okay, have a great day. Thank you.